Hello, welcome to my third weekly vlog. This vlog is starting in a slightly odd way because this morning I am going to go and get a thing cut off my back. It's like no one really knows what it is, but the doctor doesn't like it, so he's slicing a bit off to see why it's there, what's going on with it, what its etiology, is that the right word, is. And yeah, so I'm slightly nervous about going to go and get this done, and I'm sitting in the car park waiting to go in. Okay, I am out, it's done. I have 2 stitches in my back and I have some, it feels a bit weird, I have some fun leaflets to read on when I get home. Yeah, so I had it sliced off when Uptown Funk was on the radio, which kind of felt a bit wrong, but right all at the same time, if that makes any sense. So let's go and get on with this week. I won't know the results till the end of November. Obviously I will let you know then, but that's a long way off. So we're going to crack on with just having a good week and getting on with stuff. Apparently today the rest of the UK is completely covered in fog. Well look, that's a tiny little bit that we've got, and the rest is bright blue skies and gorgeous sunshine. I love these kind of autumn days when everything's just a little bit chilly but really bright and gorgeous. Good morning. Today I'm off to London to have afternoon tea, and obviously I have to set off really early because I live so far away. Down to London by Tenner, and I used to live kind of not far from here, but somehow today I feel like I've stepped into the set of Made in Chelsea, except I don't quite fit the bill for their cast. Right, let's go find this event. I'm off to go and have afternoon tea and a pedicure. Two children dropped off at school, and I'm tired. I look really tired today. It's not good. I need to go and have a cup of tea and some breakfast, and then I'm going to go and get my hair cut. That's the plan this morning. When the only thing you need in the car is a bit of the Spice Girls. Shake it to the left, shake it to the right, shake it to the front, and go right. Yellow. accused by my hairdresser of stealing someone else's coat. And as I mentioned to you this morning, my coat has no toggles, and I don't think I would steal someone else's coat. Anyway, I've just been to buy some fireworks for tomorrow night and a little bit of a treat from M&S. I haven't vlogged much today and I'm sorry. I'm just going to pick the kids up. I was going to do a vlog tonight because we were going to do loads of fireworks for bonfire night, but it's raining, so I don't think we're going to be doing that now. So you'll hopefully get to see them at the weekend, because I think we'll do it on Saturday or sometime soon. We'll definitely do it. I just don't know when. Ugh, school run is horrible when it's like this. You know when it's just going to be one of those days and you already know before you've got to school. We're on our way to the football tournament and it's the final! Yay! They didn't win the football. In fact, they came fourth, which was last, but it was the first time the school had been in that competition ever. So they did incredibly well to get there. Yeah, that was my afternoon. Luckily our guest for tonight has cancelled. Woohoo! Wouldn't normally be pleased about that, but there was just one person staying for 4 nights. One person staying for 4 nights. Good morning, it is Saturday morning. We're having a bit of a slow start day. I can't remember if I said yesterday or not, our guest cancelled. And I'm so pleased that he did cancel, because it just meant that we had the weekend free. It was just one guest for the whole weekend, and I just feel a bit bleh at the moment. And as you can see behind me, I hadn't made the bed. I hadn't really done much for the guests. And I didn't really want them to come, if I'm being perfectly honest, which obviously I am. And today it is disgusting outside. Let me just show you. It's horrible weather. Can you see all the sheep? The poor sheep. Good morning, we are up and out this morning. My son has a rugby match in Ripon, so off we go to Ripon. I think I'm going to end my weekly vlog here. It's Sunday night. I'm just joining in with your YouTube chat. If you haven't seen it, go and check it out on Twitter. It's every Sunday night at 8 o'clock. Just search the hashtag YourYouTube. If you haven't already and you would like to, then please subscribe. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up. And I will see you again soon. I'll do another weekly vlog in December, I'd have thought, so I might see some Christmas shopping or something exciting like that. And yeah, thank you very much for watching. I'm off. I'll see you again soon. Bye.